Hi everyone, and welcome to our April roundup of all the best cards in these key categories, including travel credit cards, cashback credit cards and balance transfer cards. As long as you pay off your card in full each month, the Barclaycard Rewards Visa has no fees on spending and cash withdrawals abroad, and you can even earn a little as you go with 0.25% cashback on most spending. This credit card account is free to use, but the qualifying criteria are quite strict, so check in advance to see if you're eligible. The American Express Preferred Rewards Gold Credit Card is our April top pick for rewards cards. This card comes with a welcome bonus of 20,000 membership rewards points when you spend £3,000 in your first 3 months, 4 complimentary airport lounge visits per year, and loads of extra perks to unlock in the app. There is no fee for the first year, after which you'll pay a hefty annual fee of £195, which is a drawback if you're looking for a card with no fees. Other reward cards that caught our attention this month are the Asda Money Credit Card and the Asda Money Select Credit Card. You can get up to £20 in Asda pounds if you spend £50 and set up a direct debit in the first 60 days of opening an account before the 13th of May 2024. This card has no account fees but can potentially come with starting credit limits as low as £250. The Barclaycard Platinum All-Rounder Visa is still our top pick for 0% purchase cards in April, with 21 months interest-free on purchases from the date you open the account. This card also offers up to 20 months interest-free on balance transfers if you want a dual-purpose card. There is no account fee to use this card, but the 0% purchase deal is only available to new customers, and not everyone who applies for this card will get the full 21 months interest-free. Depending on your credit history, you may be offered a shorter 0% purchase period. Our April top pick for cashback cards is the Amex Cashback Everyday Credit Card. New card members who open an account after the 9th of April 2024 can take advantage of a limited time offer of 5% cashback on purchases for the first 3 months, up to £100 total cashback. Then there's an ongoing earn rate of 0.5% cashback on spending of less than £10,000 or 1% on spending of over £10,000. There is no account fee to use this card, but be aware that you need to spend a minimum of £3,000 each year to qualify for the cashback offer. And if you don't pay off your card in full each month, you could end up paying more in interest than you would earn in cashback. Plus, if you miss 2 consecutive payments, you'll forfeit your entire cashback pot. If you want to consolidate and pay off some credit card debt, check out the Barclaycard Platinum Balance Transfer Visa. This card has a 0% interest period of up to 28 months, making it one of the longest on the market. Cardholders also have access to benefits such as ticket pre-sales through Barclaycard Entertainment. There is no account fee to use this card, but there is quite a high balance transfer fee of 3.45%, a minimum annual income requirement of £20,000, and not everyone accepted for this card will get the full 28 months. The Tesco Foundation credit card is still our top pick for credit builder credit cards. This card accepts people with no or bad credit history, comes with regular credit limit increases if you qualify, and you have the ability to keep track of your credit score for free via Tesco Bank's online credit view service. This card has no account fee, but it does have the high interest rates that typically come with credit builder cards, as well as low starting credit limits and a 3.99% cash advance fee, which includes gambling transactions. You can also earn club card points on this card, but be mindful not to start racking up extra debt just to take advantage of this perk. For more info on the best credit cards and to compare your options, head to finder.com by clicking this link here. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and hit that bell button below for more videos like this one. Until next time, thanks for watching.